In primetime news this evening, state care abuse. Report lists oversight and governance issues at children's homes. Me Too. Woman recounts her alleged encounter with suspect charged in Kenice Jackson's murder. And new app to help safety concerns on taxis, pushing Transport Authority to respond. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, coming to you live both on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green. Thanks for joining us. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day. There's sports commentary, E-Prime, and your weather report and forecast. But before the break, here is our feedback question. This evening we're asking, what precautions, if any, do you take when entering taxis? Share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and tweet @televisionjam. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.